Migrating from Mailchimp to Brevo is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Connect accounts. Log in to Brevo and go to Contacts, then Import and Update. Then click on Connect with Mailchimp. Allow Brevo access and choose your source Mailchimp list. Number 2. Map data. Match your Mailchimp fields, for example name, email, etc. with corresponding Brevo attributes. Create new attributes if needed. Number 3. Import contacts. Select which contacts to import, all or specific segments. Then choose Create New or Update Existing for existing Brevo contacts. After that, click on Import. Then use Brevo's Mailchimp integration or Zapier to import. Tags and segments as custom fields, automation as workflows, email templates as Brevo templates. Number 5. Test and review. Send a test email to ensure everything works as expected. Review the imported data for accuracy and completeness.